Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. Silk beige MB-Tex interior. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Premium one package with blind spot assist. Wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls, smartphone integration to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 26,125 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.